So, ayan guys, another update tayo sa post ng mga ni Kim Chu. Dito, Happy Valentine's. So, nakamark calendar talaga kung saan ay magkasama nga ang BK friendship. Couldn't ask for a better way to start the love month. And then, with these two beautiful souls, Bila and Angelica. Mom sis. Mom sis, thank you so much for a friendship that feels like home, like it's inside my skin. No matter how much time passes between our talks and how long we go without seeing each other, every moment we spend together feels like no time has passed at all. Si Ma'am si Anggi, your effort and preparing such a beautiful setup and most especially cooking for us made this night extra special and every bite was filled with love. And just like always, our hearts are just as full of our tummies. And Mamshi, Bella, thank you so much for coming straight from your Bohol trip just to be here. Truly means and it would to be us. Nakala namin hindi ka makakarating, matutuloy dahil galing ka pa Bohol, pero andito ka para sa amin. That true friendship talaga. Precious, this friendship is wouldn't trade it for anything. I love how we can talk about anything and everything, our laughter. So, ayan. So, ayan po yung post caption ni Kimi, napakahaba talaga. Bago lang itong post ni Kimi, guys. So, sarap ng food nila. Friendship talaga. Grabe ang friendship nila, ilang years na. Totoo, kumbaga sabay pa lang, kung sabay pa ni Kuya, nagpakatotoo talaga. Ito ang tunay na friendship na kahit na anong mangyayari, walang iwanan. Nagdadamayan, nagtutulungan. Wow.